Imagine having a professional strength coach and a full rack of weights living inside a sleek digital mirror. AEKE has just introduced a new smart home gym system that aims to do exactly that, promising to revolutionize the way we approach guided strength training without ever touching a physical plate. The product is called the AEKE K1 Smart Home Gym. It is a compact, connected fitness device recently highlighted in reports by Notebook Check. According to those reports, the system is designed for home users seeking structured workout guidance without traditional weights. Based on available information, the AEKE K1 is an all-in-one smart strength training system. It uses digital resistance instead of physical weights. This allows resistance levels to be adjusted electronically. Reports indicate that the system includes a large integrated display. The screen is used to show guided workouts, training metrics, and form-related feedback. Exercises are demonstrated directly on the device. The K1 is said to rely on sensors and software to track movement. According to coverage, this enables the system to provide real-time feedback during workouts. The goal is to help users maintain correct form and consistent progress. The device supports a range of strength-focused exercises. These include upper body, lower body, and full body movements. Exercise variety may depend on software updates and available training programs. According to reports, the AEKE K1 is designed to fit into modern living spaces. Its compact footprint is intended to reduce the need for a dedicated home gym room. Noise levels may also be lower compared to traditional weight systems. The system appears to rely on a connected platform. This suggests the use of user profiles, progress tracking, and possibly subscription-based content. Specific subscription requirements have not been fully detailed. Pricing and regional availability may vary. The AEKE K1 is positioned as a premium home fitness product rather than an entry-level solution. From a broader perspective, the AEKE K1 reflects the continued shift towards software-driven strength training in home fitness equipment. From a broader perspective, the AEKE K1 is a perfect example of how strength training is becoming increasingly software-driven. We are moving toward an era where the data behind the lift is just as important as the lift itself. In summary, the K1 combines digital resistance, real-time coaching, and a space-saving design into one sleek package. While the initial reports are promising, developments are still ongoing, and we'll have to see how it performs as it reaches more users globally.